computer with all its parts. So this is the disk, which stores the disk as from here. This is the CPU cooler. This is the CPU fan. This is the CPU cooler. And this underneath it is the CPU, as shown here. And this is the RAM, which I can take out and show everyone. Here. Yes. Then after that is the hard drive. And then over here is the power source, which powers the computers and all of its stuff. And then that's basically it.
Hey, my battery is low. Can somebody please plug me in?
Now, hello?
Yes?
Now it's not talking.
Wait, look, over there.
Help me.
Wait, wasn't his battery low?
Help me. Help me. Help me.
What if we just unplugged it?
No, that would kill me.
Okay, I'm just gonna go and call IT.
Hello, this is IT.
Now it's stuck inside of the computer.
Have you tried turning it on or off?
No, we can't turn that off because he's stuck in the computer and he will die.
Let me do it. Did someone call IT here? Yeah. Hello, good sir. Hello. So we have a problem with one of our robots. Yes. And it's that one. See? This isn't obviously a hardware problem. I cannot help with this. So I have to go. I have other jobs to do. Goodbye, sir.
We're running out of time, teacher.
Yes, that's a very serious problem.
Now, what?
See, I told you that would work.
Yeah, I knew that.
Good job!
Wow, this is a good book. Okay.
Seriously?
Oh, Prince Charming, please come and save me. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
points to the one who finds a puzzle. Now go! Well, look who we have here. You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh yeah, watch me.
We're all gonna die! We're winning! I'm fighting my worms as hard as I can.
You are weak.
Now we both don't have noses.
Makes it really hard to breathe. You'll get used to it.
Hello, I am Hagrid.
Avocado!
Who is she? New girl. She is pretty. Super pretty. Dips. No, you can't call Dips. She is a robot with feelings, not the front seat.
Why don't you guys fight like real men do? Are you equally good at anything?
No.
Are you equally bad at anything?
Box.
Let the boxing game begin. On your marks, get set, go!
Where is Eva? She's over there.
You may be our only chance to save the city.
Yes, sir. We'll do our best.
Good.
I'm in.
Attendance! Alright, here. Calvin? Here. Kaden? Here. Nathan? Present. Zachary? Yo. You may now eat your lunch.
This is worse than I thought. They are performing tests on children. What? Where are you? Don't worry, I'm gonna save them. Step away from the hostages and put your hands up. Don't eat the sandwiches. They will kill you. You are free. Where is the professor?
I don't know. Maybe check the staff room.
Professor Evil is hiding in a room they call the staff room. Do you know where that is? Where are you? I found Professor Evil. He's working on the radioactive sandwich recipe.